scared of. Well, you're gonna have to laugh at it.